Hello friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal. You are watching the Engineering Master, the finest way to learn the concept of physics and electrical. So here one notification in Nainital Bank Limited. Okay, so for the engagement of management trainee and recruitment of clerks. Okay, so Nainital Bank Limited invites application for the appointment of the following post. Desired candidates are required to apply different positions as per detail. For management trainee may be observed in the initial stage of basic pay officer 36,000 and plus allowances. After satisfactory completion 1 year active period assignment, management trainee after absorption in officer scale 1 grade 1 shall remain on probation for the period of 1 year. Okay, the total number of vacancies is 75 and the minimum age is 21 and maximum age is 27. The number of vacancies may be according to can be changed according to their vacancies and requirement. The candidate can apply both the above posts separately as per online written examination in proposed to held 2 different shifts tentatively at the same day. Okay, so here management trainee, graduation and post graduation with minimum 50% marks, knowledge of computer operation. Okay, and preferred experience will be 1 to 2 year experience in banking, financial institution, NBFC will be given preference. Clerical, graduation, post graduation with minimum 50% marks, recognized university, and 1 to 2 year experience will be preferred. Management trainee, lump sum payment is 30,000 per month, and clerical the pay scale of 17,900 to 47,000 plus applicable allowances. Okay, so here amount of bond for management trainee is 2 lakhs and the clerical 1 lakhs, or bond year will be management trainee 1 year and clerical for 2 years bond. Okay, so this is a bond. How to apply? You can apply from the application registration, a payment fee, document scan, upload. Okay, now candidate can apply only from candidate can be apply from 17th July to 31st July. No other mode application will be accepted, only online can apply. And important points to be noted before registration is photograph, signature, left thumb impression and handwritten declaration form. Okay, so you should have these things. After that you will apply the online registration. Signature in capital letter will not be accepted. The left thumb impression should be properly scanned and not smudged. Name of the candidate, here be the text of handwritten declaration as follows: I dash name of the candidate. Here be declares that all the information submitted by me in the application form is corrected, true and valid. I will present all supporting document and when required. Okay, so you have to do this handwritten and after that you can apply online. Above mentioned handwritten declaration has to be candidate own handwriting and English only. Okay, the application fee, intimation charge, payment fee online from 17 to 31,000. The 31st July, management trainee 1,500 and clerical 1,500 rupees. Okay, so including GST. Application registration, candidate to visit the Nainital Bank Limited, Nainital Bank, click on the recruitment result, then click on the option apply online. You can directly go to the description box, you can get the link there. Okay, which will open a new screen. After this click the new registration. After that you have to fill your detail and save and next. After that you have to fill the final submission and then fee payment. Okay, so please subscribe and share this channel for more videos. Thank you, good day. Or after the you can get this detail in my description box, you can go and check the detail there. Please subscribe and share this channel for more videos. Thank you, good day and take care.